Welcome once again, and let's talk about Terra Classic Coin 2023. Of course, the market cap is not yet up to 1 billion, but remember last year Terra Classic market cap hit over $2 billion with the support from Binance, with the support from Kucoin, Crypto.com, and remember this year, of course, we are hoping that Terra Classic market cap can hit over $3 to $5 billion, which might help Terra Classic gain over 500 to 2,000%. And I think Terra Classic can gain more if they can really burn out the supply they have. And I believe this year they should focus more on the burning of Terra Classic token. And if they can burn up to at least half of 5 trillion coins this year, Terra Classic might even go above hitting 1 cent, 1 penny. But I think Terra Classic right now, last year wasn't the best year for this coin because this was the year Terra Classic crashed. But let's hope that this year a lot of people will actually make a lot of money. Some people will recover some of the losses, and those that might be investing right now might also make some money. But remember, we are hoping for this year to be a bullish year for crypto industry in general, especially Bitcoin, BTC, the king of crypto coins. I'm hoping to see Bitcoin hitting back at its all-time price of $68,000. And if BTC can hit over $68,000 or even hit $70,000 to $100,000 this year, I believe most coins will be hitting a massive increase in price, including Terra Classic token. I know someone might be asking, is it possible for BTC to hit $70,000 or $100,000 this year? Remember, Bitcoin is still trading at $15,000 and $16,000. Now, remember that within the space of 12 months, BTC dropped from 68,000 down to 15,000. So within the space of 12 months also, Bitcoin can still go higher at that level or even more. So that is crypto industry for you. But it all depends on mostly the fundamental analysis that surround crypto industry. I'm talking about like government of different countries accepting cryptocurrency, and then we see a global relationship, good relationship between countries. Remember Ukraine and the Russia issue also affected crypto industry last year, so this contributed to, for crypto industry crashed in 2022. But I'm hoping this year 2022 will be a better year for crypto industry. I hope to see many more companies coming in to accept cryptocurrency as a means of payment for their goods and services. That would definitely help crypto industry to hit. And I believe Terra Classic also gain a lot of partnership with these companies. Please remember, this is not a financial advice, so please kindly do your own research before taking any decision.